Hi, I wanted to pop on and share an item that we have in the store. So we have these Fiskar trimmer blades. Now that comes in a pack here. We've always kind of carried the blades. This is style I. So this is the standard I style cutting blade that comes with Fiskar, but the black one is a scoring blade. So you get in the pack a cutting and a scoring thing, which means you can turn your trimmer. So this works with any of the triple track Fiskar trimmers or the Sure-Cut. So the ones we carry in the store, I think all of them that we have in right now are the triple track system. So you can double check with that and see, it says it very clearly on the packaging. Anyways, so this is a triple track system here. This is, I think it's the deluxe one or something it is called. I'm not sure. It goes like that. So I thought, let's try it. I have not actually opened the package myself, you can see, so I thought let's open it and let's try it. We'll cut it and we'll score it. So I just have a piece. This is a piece of hammer mill. I use them a lot for my card bases and stuff, so I thought let's first of all do nothing too exciting and we'll just cut it down to size here. So just kind of pop it in. See, it's really easy for those of you who may not be familiar with it. There's just a little bit wider spot right here at the bottom. You put the blade in and you pop it in and it's easy. So I will line it up at the 5.5 mark here, put it against the edge, just put it down, hold it on here and cut. And there, nothing unusual there. You just have your thing. Now I'm going to take this blade out, and you could just also, I could just push it out of the way if I wanted to. But for me, I'm going to try it, first time doing it, with it off. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make it an A2. So I want it at 4.25. And let's see how it scores. So again, same way, just kind of hold it down, go like this, run it back, and look at that. It is, can you see that? Hopefully the camera's picking up. Perfectly scored. So that is awesome. So then I can just go like that, get my bone folder, which I don't have handy right now because I wasn't prepared for that for this video. And there you go. There's my card front or my card base. Very easy. So I love that. I love that you can have a 2-in-1 tool, particularly when if you are going somewhere, or it just saves a lot of room, it saves a lot of bulk. I find lots of times when I'm going somewhere, I don't end up bringing my scoring thing because it is a bit bigger and bulkier, because I have one that's bigger size. So I love this, and when I saw that, I asked actually at the warehouse if they would bring them in because they weren't carrying them. So they did, and I bought a bunch for the store because I know a lot of you love your Fiskar trimmers and we have them. And so I thought this is a really economical way to turn your trimmer, a tool you already have, into a scoring tool as well. Like I said, saves a lot of space, saves a lot of money, wins all around. I love this trimmer. My friends and I call it a guts trimmer because it is the perfect trimmer if you want to cut out the inside of something, right? Because you can see and because you can slide the blade exactly to where you want it. So if I want to start, if I have this up here, say, and I want to have it 1 inch in, so 1 inch from the top, I can do it 1 inch from the top because I can measure it along here. And then if I want to start, well, let's just say we're doing the card panel at, I don't know, so that's the edge of the card panel, that's 4.25. If I want to go 1 inch in, so I'm going to do 3.25, and I want to cut it to 1 inch there because I'm making a frame on it, I can just kind of do it right to there. And because I know where my blade is and where it stops, I can go right to the 1 inch mark and know I'm 1 inch in from this side, I'm 1 inch in from that side. And there you go. I got a perfect inside cut, and I continue to do that all the way around. And I have a perfect little opening in the front of my card panel if I want to. So that is why I called the guts trimmer, because it can get into the inside little guts that you cannot do with a guillotine or a rotary trimmer. Anyways, that is my little demo on these new blade packages we have in there. Like I said, they work with all the Sure-Cut and the triple track Fiskar systems. And we have lots of these in stock right now. And you're looking for the ones that have the black and the red package. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Have a good day. Bye.